By FATOSA in Spain is a European model. It is a paddle type blender. It's 300 liters. We're operating right now on 208 three-phase voltage. We're going to show you it operating, and I'll take you through some of the controls. What happens when the cover is open, the machine will not operate. And you can see over here on the control panel, I'm operating it from what we normally refer to as palm switches, so the operator has to use both hands to operate this unit. And let me show you the discharge gate. It's air operated. Can you get a look at it, Jim, and see the discharge gate? Air operated. Also configured into the unit. The unit will not operate unless the discharge gate is closed. So I'm going to come around here and close our cover up and show you some of the controls here. This is the original factory panel. There's a safety integrated to the cover. So now, once the cover is closed, you'll see you have a forward button here and a reverse button. The blender can operate in both directions with the stop in the center, E-stop. This control is for your discharge. And then, of course, the two palm switches here to operate the blender. So now, we're going to show you, this is forward. You see okay in there, Jim? Let me get that light in there. And there we can stop it and reverse it, do the other direction as well. If you look on the end of the blender here, you'll see it has a removable plug here. This pulls out the plug, allows you to remove the ribbon completely for cleaning. Critical in all food industries. Going to show you around here. Here's the drivetrain. Jim, you want to get a look? Operating right now. Everything is in super clean condition. Controls are in excellent shape. Everything's working as it should. This is in our stock. You can